In today's video, I'll show you guys how to get ultimate money in Forza Horizon 6. Check my video description for this mod download link. Once download done, right click and select WinRAR and select the extract to. Open the extracted folder and double click on the exe file and select yes option. Make sure the game is running in the background. You will get this message attached. Then you're good to go. Go to futures. Right now I have lots of credits in my account. So to show you guys it's working, I'm gonna make it lesser. Gonna make it 1000. You can type whatever value you want and select this red icon to enable and select apply to save changes. Credit success. Minimize this. To make this cheat work, you need to go to cars and change car and choose whatever car you just get in the car. Once you done this, if the cheat doesn't take effect, then you need to go back to the mod menu and select the apply option again. And now it should work. And this way you can add infinite money in Forza Horizon 6. I hope this video helped you. If the video helped you, don't forget to leave a like and subscribe. Thank you.